Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken double zipper. First, carefully examine your zipper to determine the exact problem. Is a slider completely off, or are the teeth simply not engaging properly? Understanding the issue is the first step to a successful repair. You'll want to have some small pliers and possibly a replacement slider or a zipper repair kit on hand for the upcoming steps. If your zipper teeth are misaligned, you can often fix this by adjusting the slider. Take a pair of small pliers and gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the slider. This action helps to narrow the opening, allowing it to grip the zipper teeth more effectively. Carefully guide the slider back onto the track, making sure that all the teeth are perfectly aligned as you pull it along. When a slider is beyond repair, replacing it is the best option. First, use your pliers to carefully remove the old, damaged slider from the zipper track. Next, find a new slider that matches the original size. This is usually a number like 5 or 8 stamped on the back. Gently guide the new slider onto the zipper teeth, starting from the bottom end, ensuring it slides smoothly. After your repair, it's crucial to perform a few final checks. Operate both sliders up and down the track several times to confirm they move smoothly and engage the teeth correctly. For extra ease, you can apply a small amount of zipper lubricant, such as a bar of wax or a specialized spray, to the teeth. If a slider keeps coming off, consider adding a small metal zipper stop at the bottom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.